Hi guys, my name is Greg. I'm one of the service advisors here at Subaru of Puyallup. We are located at 720 River Road in Puyallup, Washington. Hours of operation for our service department is Monday through Saturday, 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. So I'm going to take you on a walk around, show you where to go and what to do when you check in for service and what to expect. So as you pull up to our doors, if they are closed, they will automatically open for you. You just have to pull close enough to the doors. And as we walk through here, so everybody knows in Washington it rains all the time. We have inclement weather, so we like to stay dry as well as keep you dry. So just pull up to those doors that just open. You're gonna pull right in to either one of these lanes, no matter if you're here for just an oil change or a major service. You're gonna pull up as close as you can to the TVs that are behind me here. And then either one of the advisors or a greeter will come out to your car and we'll figure out what's going on for the day. If you are here for an oil change, as far as your car will go downstairs to our express department. Main shop stays upstairs over here, but I will show you where kind of the advisors live and everything else. Our express advisors will normally be out here in the service drive at their desks, so they'll be able to get you checked in and just make it streamlined for you. So after we get checked in, we are going to come out with our iPad, verify what you are here for. We're going to do a walk around on your vehicle, see if there's any damage or anything else, and also ask you some questions about it, just in case you forgot to mention something while scheduling your appointment. So after you get checked in, we're going to come into the service advisor desk area here. So this is where we live. This is where the magic happens. So at our desks here, this is where we do everything. So this is where you check in, where you're going to check out. We are your cashiers, your advocates, your advisors. We are everything for you. And as you come in here, if you do decide to wait, as far as our waiting area is going to be around the corner here. So of course we have our trophies on display. Everything that we have done for the community. Subaru of Puyallup loves giving back to the community, being a huge part of that for our guests. And then our world-class waiting area. So we do have multiple waiting areas. We have our main waiting area with the TV. We do have a quiet area over here. And then of course, up the stairs to the right is where our sales department lives, as far as for all those new shiny Subarus, if you're looking for that. And then of course we have coffee, snacks, and water always available. If your vehicle is here for a diagnostic or a major service, you're gonna be in our main shop over here. In our main shop is where we do most of the major work, like our diagnostics, our 30, 60, and 90K services that I did mention in another video. So this is where your car will be with all of our factory certified technicians. These guys are the ones who put in the hard work, do everything for you, make sure that your Subaru is running right for the road and that you have no issues. And we do love fixing it right the first time. So these guys do take their time, are very, very thorough as well. During your visit with us, you will also get a video multi-point inspection that is sent to your phone. That is just basically so you see what we see. So when we do talk to you about recommendations or things that we have seen, you are seeing it firsthand as well. Our parts department, of course, is located conveniently with our service department because we are a one-stop shop. So not only all of your Subaru accessories, your tires, diagnostics, services, basic maintenance, everything, we can do everything here for you. If we do not physically have the capability of doing it here, we have relationships with many vendors in the area, so we can take care of your vehicle so you don't have to go to multiple places. And we're going to take you downstairs to kind of where the magic happens. If you are here for express and we're here just doing oil change and tire rotation and getting you back on the road, that is done at our downstairs area here. So this is where our express department lives and breathes. So this is where they're doing all your oil changes and tire rotations. Even if you're here for just a simple oil change, you do get that same video multi-point inspection from upstairs as well as the paper copy. So we have 3 racks down here. These guys down here are also factory trained technicians as well through Subaru. So they know what to look for in keeping your Subaru safe to drive and on the road. As I mentioned upstairs too, our parts department, we do sell tires and everything, and we can do the alignments on site. We truly are a one-stop shop for everything your Subaru needs. While we are down here as well, if you do have to leave your vehicle overnight, our parking garage down here is a secured area. So your car is locked up and monitored by cameras 24 hours a day. So feel safe in being able to drop off your vehicle if you do have to leave it here with us. All right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. Once again, my name is Greg. I'm one of the advisors down here at Subaru of Puyallup. Our hours of operation are Monday through Saturday, 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. I hope to see you down here. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call and we will show you what stress-free is all about.